Today we are going to talk about connecting a Whirlpool front load washer using the Whirlpool app. Before we try the connection process, you have to make sure that your router supports the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, as this product is not compatible with the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. You will need to download the Whirlpool app on your phone and then create an account in it. You can use any smartphone or smart mobile device with the app, like an iPhone, iPad, or any Android phones or tablets. Along with this, you will need to ensure that you have access to the correct Wi-Fi password so that the connection process goes without any interruption. Once these are available, we are now ready to start the connection process. During the connection process, you have to make sure you are staying close to the appliance with the app on your smartphone or smart mobile device. So I have everything set up here. Both the app and the appliance is ready. I have the app installed on my phone and I'm going to open it now. Here, please remember to make sure that your phone is connected to the 2.4 network. If it is not, this is the best time to go to your phone Wi-Fi settings and change it to the 2.4 network. So I've ensured that my phone is connected to the correct network. I have got the app open and I'm going to tap on Add an Appliance. Now tap on Start Adding My Appliance. Now we have to select the type of appliance. So this is a front load washer. So tap on Washer Front Loader and then select the first image and then tap on Yes, Continue. Now we are on the app screen where it provides the instructions to enable Bluetooth on the appliance. So the first instruction is to power on the appliance. So for that, you have to press the power button, which is the button with the circle and the dash symbol. So let's press the power button. So that instruction is performed. Now you have to go back to the app and swipe towards the left on the app screen. So let's do that. The next instruction is to press the remote start button. Make sure you are only doing a quick press or a quick tap on the remote start button. So let's do that. So once the remote start button is quickly tapped, the washer display will show use the Whirlpool app to set up Wi-Fi. Now go back to the app and tap on Connect to Bluetooth. Now the app will be searching for the washer. It has located the washer and there is a connect option. Let's tap on Connect. Now we are in the Bluetooth pairing step. There is a Bluetooth pairing pop-up. Tap on the pair option, then select the checkbox, tap on Continue, and now the next instruction is to tap on the Start button. Now the appliance display shows Connect to Network. Now we are back in the app, and on the app we can see that we are on the Wi-Fi credentials screen. Here we are already able to see the Wi-Fi network name. You have to make sure that the network name that is appearing is the 2.4 network. If it is not, you again have the chance to go back to your phone Wi-Fi settings and change it to the 2.4 network. Now I'm going to enter the Wi-Fi password. The Wi-Fi password is case sensitive. So I've entered the Wi-Fi password and made sure that the correct Wi-Fi credentials are used. And then I'm going to tap on the Connect option. At this point, we have finished all the steps for connecting the appliance, and in the next 2 minutes, the app will be connecting the washer to the home Wi-Fi network and to the Whirlpool app account. It will take approximately 2 minutes. Okay, now we can see that on the washer display it shows success, and similarly on the app screen we have the option to name the appliance. I'm just going to call it Clean Clothes and then tap on Done. So now on the app screen we see the washer as online and it is on the state ready to wash. Similarly, if you look on the appliance display, you can see the Wi-Fi symbol indicating that the appliance is now online. So by this we have come to the end of the video where it shows the steps to connect the appliance to Wi-Fi. In this part of the video, I'm going to talk briefly about the remote start feature on this appliance. On laundry appliances, both washers and dryers, whenever the door of the appliance is open, the remote start option will get deactivated. So in order for you to use the app to start cycles from the app, you have to make sure that the remote start feature is in the activated state. To do that, you have to first power on the appliance. And if you look on the appliance display, now you just see the Wi-Fi symbol. Turning on the remote, you have to tap on the remote start option. That will turn on the remote start feature and you will be able to start cycles from the app. You can also see now that the remote start icon is visible on the appliance display. If I open the door, you can see that the remote icon will disappear, indicating that the remote start is now turned off. At this point, if you try to go to the app and start a cycle, you will not be able to do it. So it is very important that before trying to start a cycle from the app, you have to ensure that the remote start option is activated from the appliance display, and this activation can be done only from the appliance display. It cannot be activated through the app. So I'm going to press the remote start one more time to show that it is getting activated now. So we turned on the remote enable option again by pressing the remote start button. So now we can see both the icons, one for the remote enable and one for the Wi-Fi. So with that, next we will like to show you how you can start a simple cycle using the app. For that, let's go back to the app. So now we are in the app and we see that the washer is in the ready state. Select the washer. Now tap on see all washer features. Select set washer. On the screen, there are two kinds of cycles available, which are the normal wash cycle, and if you would like to do any specialty cycles like activewear or jeans, we have that also available. For the video purpose, we are just going to choose the normal cycles. So here I'm going to select the quick wash. Now we are on the quick wash cycle screen where the various cycle options are available. If you want to change the wash temperature, you just need to tap on it and then you can choose any temperature of your choice. I'm going to just keep it as cool. Similarly, you can select the soil level, spin speed, etc. based on your preference. We also have some extra options under view more options. You can turn on or off any of these based on your preference. On the screen, you can see that the remote enable is on. It indicates that since it is on, we will be now able to start a cycle directly from the app itself. If remote enable was appearing to be off, then you will have to go near the appliance and press the remote start button to activate the remote start capability from the app. So now in this case, we can start a cycle and see what happens. So I'm going to tap on start. So we see that on the washer display and also on the app screen, the cycle is appearing to be started. So if you look at the app screen, you can see that there are various other options available. There is an option to pause the cycle if you would like. There is also option to add sub-cycle options like extra rinse, steam, clean, fan, fresh, etc. If you would like to add any of these cycles, you can do it now. And then if you want to edit the cycle, you do have that option available. You can change any of these options and then tap on update. I'm not going to do any of those, so I'm going to go back, and then the next thing I'm going to do is cancel the cycle. So the cycle has now cancelled on both the appliance, and the app screen has returned back to the state ready to wash for the washer. By this, we have come to the end of this video. By getting your appliance online, you have now access to various smart features, including real-time notifications, voice control using Alexa and Google Home, and also access to many other features. If you have any questions or concerns connecting your appliance to Wi-Fi or any app-related features, you can reach out to us directly at 866-333-4591. Thank you.